This figure here illustrates some type of milling cutters along with workpieces. Milling cutters are made in various forms to perform certain class of work, and they are classified as plane milling cutters, side milling cutters, face milling cutter, angle milling cutters, and milling cutter, fly milling cutter, T-slot milling cutter, formed milling cutter, and last but not the least, metal slitting saw. Milling cutters may have teeth on the periphery or ends only, or on both the periphery and the ends. Peripheral teeth may be straight or parallel to the cutter axis, or they may be helical and even sometimes referred as spiral teeth.